Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable use on body detection to keep your phone unlocked. Now first tap on the home button at the bottom to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, go down and tap on lock screen. In here, go down and tap on Smart Lock. Next, put in your current PIN, password or pattern lock. And then tap on body detection. Next, tap on Use on body detection. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. It says on body detection can distinguish between you and someone else. If someone takes your device while it's been unlocked, they might be able to access it. Now tap on the continue button if you decided to use this feature. Alright, so after you unlock your phone, it stays unlocked while it's in motion. Like when you're walking with it, your phone will stay unlocked for up to 4 hours or until you put it down. Now, if you do not want to use it, you can switch it off. And that's how you can turn it on or off on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.